Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Thursday, March 13th at 6:03 in the morning. We are continuing with our coloring book creation. I haven't decided yet whether I've got 3 or 4 more left to do. I do know like I said in my last video, my first few were kind of flat and uninteresting, so we're gonna probably redo a couple and do some additions, subtractions, whatever. So this one is going to be a tom turkey today. We had turkeys growing up. We had the toms and the hens. They would roam around freely in the barnyard. They never would leave. They just kind of hung around and did their thing. I remember the hens would lay eggs sometimes underneath the honeysuckle bushes that my mom loved, and she would go out every day when the hen would get off for a few minutes and check the nest to make sure everything was okay. Mom was very protective of her nesting hens, whether they be chickens or turkeys or guineas. She made sure they were safe as they could be and kept them going. Now the toms would strut around and occasionally would chase us. They're pretty strong. They're not weak little birds. Mother chicken hens are not weak little birds either. They can be quite ferocious, especially being a young kid. They would, especially once I remember the tom turkey chased my brother and I around the barnyard. We had to take refuge in the car a couple times. Not a fun time, but good memories. Sometimes we would have to catch the tom and the hens when the coyotes would come up too close. We'd have to go out with flashlights, the old incandescent, no light giving flashlights back in the day, and catch them while they were roosting on the fence. And the tom turkeys were heavy and would beat their wings. It was not fun. They would try and get you with their spurs on their back of their legs. I do remember once we had a wild tom come up and mate with one of our tame hens, and the babies, they didn't know what to do. They were scared, not scared, scared, not scared of us. It was kind of a strange atmosphere with those birds around. They had a little bit different color, being wild and tame. That only happened once, but it was an interesting experience. But all in all, turkeys, they're a great addition if you've got a homestead farm. Their eggs are big. I think we ate a turkey egg once, but Mom always liked to just breed them and have them around for the fall for harvesting. So we're about done with my tom turkey, and here's the final product, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.